Best ways to clean tile and marble flooring effectively. Dear friends, keeping your floors clean is not just about appearance, it also increases their life and shine. But the cleaning method for tile flooring and marble flooring is not the same. Using the wrong technique can damage the surface permanently. So let's understand the correct way to clean both. First, let's talk about tile flooring. Tiles are generally durable and low maintenance. For daily cleaning, sweep or vacuum to remove dust and loose dirt. After that, use warm water mixed with a mild floor cleaner. Mop gently and avoid using very harsh chemicals. For grout lines, you can use a soft brush with baking soda and water to remove stains. Always dry the floor after mopping to prevent water spots. Now, marble flooring needs extra care because marble is a natural stone and porous in nature. Never use acidic cleaners like vinegar or lemon on marble. These can cause etching and dullness. Instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner specially made for marble. Clean with a soft microfiber mop and minimal water. Immediately wipe any spills to avoid stains. Periodic polishing and sealing also help maintain marble's shine and durability. In short, tiles are easy to maintain and more resistant to chemicals, while marble requires gentle and careful cleaning. Choosing the right cleaning method ensures your flooring looks beautiful for years. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.